Hello, today I'm very happy. Before we start the conversation, I want to tell you about my friend. She lives near the university. She studies fashion design at the Fashion Institute. Her favorite class is History of Design. She has a part-time job in a clothing store. Okay, now we start to watch the conversation about I start work at 5. English conversation. I start work at 5 for learner.
So, do you usually come to the gym in the morning?
Yeah, I do. I usually come here at 10 o'clock.
Really? What time do you go to work?
Oh, I work in the afternoon. I start work at 5.
Wow, that's late. When do you get home at night?
I usually get home at midnight.
Midnight? That's late. What do you do exactly?
I am a chef. I work at the Pink Elephant.
That's my favorite restaurant.